Hey everybody, on Cherry Valley Road at Ramp Creek. Bridge is almost done on Thornwood. That is a very good project. They've been working on it for about 3 years. They put the bridge in this year and they put the pillars in last year. They dug it out a year or two ago. They've been putting a lot of work in it. It looks to me like it's almost done. They're over there working on it right now. They got the roadway before it gets to the bridge. All they got to do is finish that up, finish up Thornwood, and we're going to have another road here in Newark, Ohio, and Granville too. But it's a beautiful job. It looks to me like it's going to be okay to travel on. All right, you only want the best here. There it is. There it is. It's definitely a big project. Look how pretty that looks. Hey, I built that. I'm just kidding. I wish I could have built that. That'd been a lot of money in my pocketbook. That's a heck of a project.